As our national economy slows, finally a welcome boost. Fast internet is coming to Queensland homes even faster.
What we've decided to do is to bring forward some of our investment to accelerate the pace of 5G rollout.
5G is already twice the speed of 4G, but the next 3 to 4 years will be groundbreaking.
We're sort of talking in the realm of 6 to 10 gigabits per second, and that's pretty fast.
And possibly life-changing.
Things like remote control of robots, machinery or surgery, you can do that on a 5G network.
In the Greater Brisbane area, 30 suburbs already have more than 50% coverage, including Chermside West, Ascot, Carina, Kenmore and 8 Mile Plains. In Logan, Heritage Park, Eden's Landing and Mount Warren Park have 5G technology. And on the Gold Coast, 23 suburbs are connected, including Labrador, Broadbeach and Tugun.
Rolling out 5G faster will make a massive difference to family and business.
While there have been community concerns about the health impacts of 5G, just this week a federal parliamentary committee gave the technology the all clear, declaring it was safe and transformative. And you don't need a 5G device to reap the benefits.
Everywhere we do a 5G upgrade, we also upgrade the 4G network at the same time.
Bringing more benefits to more Queenslanders. Nikki Hayden, 7 News.
There's barely been a tech upgrade that's been quite as controversial as 5G mobile internet. It sparked protests and even had conspiracy theorists blaming it for Covid-19. Ironically, the coronavirus has hastened its rollout. Now Telstra will spend $500 million across Australia to fast-track fast internet. 5G delivers faster than ever download speeds for mobiles and tablets, and that's just the beginning.
So we'll be seeing 5G used by real-time applications like autonomous driving, telemedicine, and a whole bunch of other technologies that actually haven't been invented yet.
In the Perth metro area, 40 suburbs now have 50% or more 5G coverage. But it's a patchwork. Mandurah, Leederville, Quinns Rocks, Thornley among the first to have access.
So we'll continue with the metro rollout and then we'll also expand regionally.
It's not as simple as tapping into 5G once it's available in your suburb. You will have to upgrade to a 5G ready device or modem to take advantage of the faster speeds. While there have been some community concerns about the health impacts of 5G, just this week a federal parliamentary committee gave it the all clear.
If anything, it actually operates lower than 4 and 3G does currently.
Brittany Hoskins, 7 News.
Like a diamond in the sky, you know more. Look at the lobby, I get the party jumping, lovers are falling, something, someone lit with a 40 grip, rocking and we gon' roll from the floor to the top, no, stop until it's sunny, pass the Dasani bottle, fill up with the cardio, chillin' with the cardio, up like a bald eagle. I'm on. Oh, I'm on. Like a diamond in the sky. You know more. I've been looking for somebody just like you.